Hello, Bachu. Let us look into the question. The question is asking us that we have to consider the following statement and we have to tell that which statement is true or false. So the first statement given to us is major countries who contributed or participated in Human Genome Project were Japan, France, and Germany and China. The second statement says that Human Genome Project was a mega project of 13 years and these are the options. So the key concept that we would be discussing, the key concept is HGP, which stands for Human Genome Project. Basically, the HGP was started in 1990 and it was a program till 2003. So it was a 13-year program. The motto of this program was to decipher the genomic sequences of the organisms that would contribute in the field of medicine, research, and evolutionary pathway. Thus, this was HGP. Now, the countries that contributed in this HGP project were France, Germany. Apart from that, Japan, China, and UK and USA. So these were the countries that contributed to the HGP project. Let us look into the options. The option first, that major countries who contributed or participated in Human Genome Project were Japan, France, Germany and China. जैसा कि हमने यहाँ बात किया था, ये बिल्कुल टैली करते हैं इससे. So this is the correct statement. And Human Genome Project was a mega project of 13 years. We also talked about कि ये 1990 से लेके 2003 तक इसका ड्यूरेशन रहा और ये 13 ईयर प्रोग्राम था. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इट वाज अ मेगा प्रोजेक्ट सिंस इट वाज अ लॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट. यूजुअली द प्रोजेक्ट्स ran for 5 years or 6 years, but it ran for 13 years. So it was considered as a mega project. So this statement is also correct. Hence we can conclude that both the statement 1 and 2 are correct. So the final answer is option C is correct. Hope you all understood. All the best.